That house on the hill with the four plank around it, every last breath till the last star is counted. Just say the word, girl, make me your perfect. I won't quit till the good Lord says my work is done. Like a faded out song on the radio, done. Like a cowboy gets a girl when the credits roll. I'd give you a lifetime of days in the sun. Just whenever you need and you want, I won't stop till it's done. Hey everyone, Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. Thanks for tuning in. Please hit subscribe and like if you haven't already so you can get notified when I come up with new tutorials in the future. Also, thanks to everyone who has subscribed. Let's get into this song. Awesome song, no capo needed. And it's standard tuning, so it's really easy to play. Let me know if you guys have other song requests and stuff you'd like to learn. I'm trying to get to as many of them as I can, as quickly as I can. But there is a backlog, just know that. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. All right, so let's get into this song. Here's what you're gonna need to start with. You're gonna do A, and you're gonna do D. Okay, those are the two chords you'll start with in the intro. Now the strumming pattern for this song is insanely easy. So for the intro, you're just going to do down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up on A, D. Okay, you just do the same thing. Okay, so just down, up. You can also just do down, 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 down. So you can just do it with down, but I think it sounds a little bit better if you do those two. Okay, so for the beginning, you just do A. Okay. Okay, and then when you start the verse, you go done. Okay, so you'll do done. And then I think it sounds best if you palm mute the verses. Okay, so just put this part of your hand as close as you can right there, okay, on front of it, and you're going to do the bass notes. Okay, so I'm doing the A and D, okay, done. All right, so you do done. The first time I saw you, let's see, so it's done. The first time I saw you, done. Okay, so this part, you're not doing, so you're going to do a different chord. You're going to do C sharp minor, okay? So C sharp minor is, you're going to bar the 4th fret from the A string down, okay? So you're not going to play the E string. So you can mute it. If you're palm muting it, it doesn't matter. Okay, but you're going to bar there, and then you're going to do it like a power chord, okay? So you're going to do your ring finger on the 4th fret on the D string, and your pinky finger, this is how I play it. Some people just play it they put their ring finger on both, but I don't like doing it, it hurts my hand. So you're gonna put your pinky on the 6th fret on the G string, and then you're gonna put your middle finger on the 5th fret, okay, on the B string. So if you weren't palm muting it, it would sound like this, okay? Okay, so that's how it is. So you do done. By the first dance, let's see, by the first dance was through, I was done. Okay, so then you go to D on done, so that's easy to remember. Done. That one kiss I knew there was nothing. Okay, nothing is where you do F sharp minor. Okay, so you're just gonna bar the 2nd fret, and then you're gonna do the power chord, but you're not gonna put your middle finger down. So you're just gonna do bar the 2nd fret, the whole thing. Okay, starting from the E string, and then you're going to put your ring finger on the 4th fret on the A string, and then your pinky finger on the 4th fret on the D string. Done. Let's see, there was nothing I wouldn't do, just as E, just to give you that house. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through that part I'll do the first chorus, and then I'll walk you through it, okay? But so for that part, the intro is just A, D, then the verses is A, C sharp minor, D, F sharp minor, E. Okay, so very easy. And then the chorus, you're going to use all of those same chords, okay? But I'm going to walk you through how you use them and stuff. So I think it sounds better if you palm mute the verses, okay? Because that way it helps the song build and vary and stuff. So then you're going to do that house on the hill. So on that house is where you do A. That house on the hill. And this is the same strumming pattern as the beginning. Okay, you can do just the down, but I think it sounds better if you do it up and down, okay? That house is a house on the hill with a 4-plank around it. Every is D. Every last breath till the last star is counted. Just is F sharp minor. Just say the word, girl. Paint. Okay, paint is E minor. It's just E. Paint me your perfect. I is D. I won't quit till the good Lord says my Okay, done is A. Done, like a faded out song on the radio. Done. Okay, done, that done is then D. Done, like a faded, like the cowboy gets the girl when the credits roll. I'd give is F sharp minor, give you a lifetime of days. Okay, days is E. Days in the sun, whatever. Okay, whatever is D. Whatever you need and whatever you want, I won't stop till it's done. Okay, done is A. And then you're just going to start going into the second verse. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through the intro and the first verse and the chorus real quick. Okay, so you're just going to start with the intro. It's just A. Okay. D. Done. The first time I saw you, done. So that's C sharp minor. By the first dance was through, I was done. D. That one kiss I knew there was nothing, F sharp minor, nothing I wouldn't do just to give you. Okay, so E is just to give you that house, a house on the hill with the four plank around it. Every D, last breath till the last star is counted. F sharp minor, just say the word, girl. E, pay me, you're perfect. I, D, I won't quit till the good Lord says my work is done. A, like a faded out song on the radio. D, done. Like the cowboy gets the girl when the credits roll. F sharp minor here. I'd give you a lifetime of days. E, days in the sun. Whatever, D, whatever you need and you want, I won't stop till it's done. A, okay? Then you just go to the next verse. Okay? That's all you need to know for the song, because the second verse is the same, the chorus is the same. The bridge just is D, A, C sharp minor, D. Okay? So at the end of the second verse, if you want, so you'll do done, and you'll play it like the intro part here. So you'll do A, D, and then on D you start going to the bridge. You know I won't stop till it's done. You need them and you can lean on done. Sorry, done. You need some faith you can hang your dreams on. Check them off one by one. That house on the hill. Okay, that's how it goes. Alright, so you can just end the song on dun dun. I think it'll sound best if you just end it on an A. So you do dun. That's usually what I do when I end a song. So anyway, that's the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Again, this is a really great song by Chris Janson. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions, and it's been fun. See you guys next time.